This is my lecture 8 on complex analysis for 5th sem DSC students. I am Ms. RANJANA DUTTA from the Department of Mathematics, the Graduate School College for Women. Today we will study the Milne Thomson's method. Let f is equal to uxy plus ivxy, and x is equal to half of z plus z bar, and y is equal to 1 by 2i z minus z bar, and we may write f dash fz is fz is equal to u half z plus z bar comma 1 by 2i z minus z bar plus iv half z minus z bar comma half z minus z bar. This is we have to prove. Then we may regard one as the formal identity of two independent variables, say z and z bar. On putting z bar is equal to z, we get fz is equal to uz0 plus ivz0. Here we are putting z bar is equal to z. Now, W is equal to Fz. So, W F dash Z can be written as dW by d dash x is equal to Ux plus IVx. This can be written as Ux minus IUy by Cauchy-Riemann equation. So, Ux, let Ux is equal to phi 1 xy and Uy is equal to phi 2 xy. Then f dash z can be written as phi 1 xy minus I phi 2 xy, which can be written as phi 1 z0 minus I phi 2 z0. Integrating this, we get fz is equal to integration of phi 1 z0 dz minus I phi 2 z0 dz plus another constant, where c is an arbitrary constant. And if v x y be given, we have fz is equal to phi 1 z0, psi 1 z0 another form, and I psi 2 z0 dz plus c dash, where vy is equal to psi 1 xy and v Vx is equal to psi 2 xy. Now, take an example of this method. Let find the analytic function of which the real part is equal to given on your screen. Here, uxy is equal to e to the power minus x, then within bracket x square minus y square cos y plus 2xy sin y. Now, phi 1 is equal to del u by del x. Then after calculating this, you get, and phi 2 is del u by del y, and calculating it, you also get. Then f dash z is equal to phi 1 z0 minus I phi 2 z0, which after calculation gives e to the power minus z 2z minus e to the power 2z minus z square. So after calculating this, we get this is equal to x plus iy the whole square e to the power minus x, and within bracket cos y minus I sin y plus c. So here another method is also given. You try at home. Now another example given, and that is your homework. Next, a simple method of constructing an analytic function. If the real part of an analytic function fz is given, then harmonic function is xy, then fz is equal to 2u within bracket z by 2 comma z by 2I minus u00 is purely imaginary quantity be added. Then proof. Let fz is equal to fx plus iy, which can be written as uxy plus ivxy. Then fz the whole bar is equal to fx plus iy the whole bar is equal to uxy minus ivxy, because fx plus iy the whole bar, so we can write it as minus ivx1. Then adding fx plus iy plus fx plus iy bar, then we get 2uxy. This stage, we remark that the conjugate function f z whole bar has the derivative 0 with respect to z, so that we may consider it as a function of z bar. We denote it by f bar z bar. So fx plus iy the whole bar, it can be written as equal to f bar x minus iy. Then u of xy is equal to half of within bracket f of x plus iy plus f bar of x plus iy. This equation 2 can be regarded as the foremost identity, and therefore, even then x and y are complexes. Substituting x is equal to z by 2 and y is equal to z by 2I. In substituting in 2, we get u z by 2 comma z by 2I is equal to half f of z by 2 plus I z by 2I plus f bar of z by 2 minus I z by 2I. This is equal to half of fz plus f0. So fz is equal to 2u z by 2 comma z by 2I is equal to f bar 0. Since fz is only determined up to a purely imaginary constant, we may assume that f0 is real. So, which follows that f bar 0 is equal to u00. Hence, fz can be written as equal to 2u z by 2 minus comma z by 2I minus u of 00. We can add a purely imaginary constant, then we may write it as fz is equal to 2u z by 2 comma z by 2I minus u00 plus ci, where c is real. Now, another example. Consider an analytic function fz is equal to u plus iv, where u is equal to x cubed minus 3xy square plus 3x plus 1. Now, here uxy is equal to x cubed minus 3xy square plus 3x plus 1. Now, z by 2 comma z by 2 I can be written as z by 2 whole cube minus 3z by 2 into z by 2I whole square plus 3 z by 2 plus 1. This ultimately, after calculation, gives also u00 is equal to 1. Hence, using the previous theorem, fz is equal to 2u within bracket by 2 comma z by 2I minus u00 plus ci can be written as x cube plus z cube plus 3z plus 2 minus I plus ci. So another examples, try it at home. So students, today this much only. Thank you.